Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down again to find this ringtone settings, and here we can change the ringtone separately for the first and the second SIM card. So let me choose the first one, for example. After tapping on it, we will be transferred to the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, Add Ringtone at the very bottom of the list, and you will be able to enter your own files and set them as a ringtone. If you'd like to choose something from the pre-installed ringtone, simply tap on the specific one to learn whether you like it or not, so you can listen to it. For example, Weekend Crystal, and let's pretend I want this option to be set. So just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, this device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.